Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Janice. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful garland out of yarn. But before I get started, I would like to say thank you to all my viewers that have subscribed to my channel. A lot of my viewers that watch my content have not subscribed to my channel. And my goal is to get to 50 subscribers by the beginning of the year. If I reach that goal, I will make 2 videos, one that will support my viewers that like cooking, and one video that will support my viewers that like crocheting. But that's only if I get to 50 subscribers by the beginning of the year. To make this project, you will only need a couple of things to make this. You will need some yarn. You can use any color of yarn, any texture of yarn. If you like the soft yarn or you like the yarn to be a little bit thicker, that's up to you. You will also need a yarn needle to sew all your knots. And also you will need some thread to sew the knots at the end of your project. And also you will need some buttons. Here I have a lot of buttons, different sizes, but it's all up to you what kind of buttons you would like. If you like to match it with the color of the yarn, that's fine. You will also need a crochet needle, and you will also need a pair of scissors. Now for this project, you have the option to do it with a button, or you can stitch the ends. So let me show you here what I mean. So here I made a half double crochet stitch. I made 34 chains across, and then I made 4 rows of half double crochet. At the end of my project here, when I get to the end, I sew the knots, and then I will fold it over, and then this part here, that's where you will need either a button, or the other option is to make the stitches and then sew it together. So you have the option to have it done this way, or the other option is to sew the ends over here with the yarn. That's why you will need the yarn needle. So you will start stitching up all this here to close it up. And I mean, this project is so simple. It only requires a couple of minutes to do. And especially if you know how to do the half double crochet, this is a really fast project. And the best thing is that it's really quick, and when it comes out, you can attach them to the colors that you like. And I like to put these on my Christmas tree. I like to hang it on the fireplace. That will look really pretty. You can make it as long as you want, as wide as you want. So like, say you want to do more than 4 stitches. If you want to do less stitches, that's of course you do less rows if you want to do less, so they'll be more narrow. But I made 4 rows of half double crochets. So this whole entire project consists of half double crochets. So I will be showing you how to start it, and then we'll take it from there. The first thing I will do is make a slip knot, then insert my needle, pull the yarn, make another slip knot, make sure it's nice and secure. Once you have the slip knot, then you will make 34 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I have my 34 chains. Now my next step is from the needle here, you will go into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, go into the second chain, pull through one loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Yarn over, go into the next chain, and then pull through all the loops. So the purpose of this is to do half double crochets all the way till the end. There's nothing to this. It's really simple. You just follow the same thing all the way to the end. Half double crochets all into the same chain. And then go into the next chain, do the same thing. Yarn over, go into the next chain, pull through all the loops. And continue doing this all the way till you get to the end. Once you get to the end, the next step to go on to the next row, I will make 2 chains, so that's 1 and 2. I will turn my work, and from the hook, I will go into the second chain, that's 1. And this is a second chain, so yarn over, go into that chain, and then pull through all the loops. Yarn over, go into the next chain, and pull through all the loops. You will continue making these half double crochets for the next 3 rows. So we would need a total of 4 rows in order to make the garland. I have a couple more chains to go through, and then I will show you how to do the 3rd row, which is coming up here very soon. Okay, I have one more chain to go through. So this is my 2nd row. So I need a couple more rows to complete 4 rows of half double crochets. So now I make a chain 2, 1 and 2, turn my work, and then I will go not in the first chain from the hook, I will go into the second chain. Yarn over, go in through that chain, and pull through all the loops. Okay, go all the way to the end, and then I will meet you back. Okay, I am approaching here to the end. And it's very important that you always go to the last chain here, otherwise the edge will not be even. So I will yarn over and then go into that chain and pull through all the loops. Okay, so now you have another row of half double crochets. Then the next row, which will be the last one, you will chain 2, turn your work, and then go into the second chain from the hook and make a half double crochet. And just to let all my viewers know, I have a lot of videos on arts and crafts for Christmas that I have posted. So make sure that you watch those videos. They're really good ideas. I made a Christmas candy tree that I'm pretty sure everybody would love that one. It's a really nice gift to give to someone special during Christmas time, and it's really fun to make, and kids would love that, especially because it's all full of candy and you can do different colors on that to make your Christmas tree. So watch my other videos and then you'll see how many ideas I came up with for Christmas. So, and I also have a good turnout on those mini Christmas wreaths. A lot of my viewers have watched that video, and I think it's a really interesting one because it's really easy to make and it's really colorful, and then you can put those on your Christmas tree or on your fireplace. So I recommend those videos for everyone to watch, and then you can share them with your friends as well. Okay, here I am coming to the end. I just need a couple of more chains to complete, and then I will show you what the next step is going to be. Okay, so here I have my 4 rows of half double crochets. So once I come here to the end, I will cut a piece off of this yarn. Then I will make a knot and then cut a little piece off from here. Okay, so now you have the first part complete. So the next part would be to fold it over, and then you have the option to use a button, or if you want to sew the stitches here to close it up. So I will get back to you on this in a few minutes, and I will show you how it's going to turn out. Okay, so now I tied up all my knots here at the end where I cut off the pieces of yarn. So now the next thing would be to sew my button onto here. You can use any color of buttons that you prefer, but since this color here is kind of like a goldish color, I think the brown one would look just fine. So now I would just start sewing the button here onto the bottom here. And like I said, you can use any color of yarn of your choice. You can use any type of yarn. And today actually I use red heart yarn for my garland here. Okay, so I just need a little more stitches here to complete it, and then I would secure it with a knot. And then I would fasten off that piece of yarn and the thread that I left off here with the button. So then now I have another piece here with a button as well. I made this one green and then with a green button. So now I will just connect these two. So let me show you how this works. So first I do one. Okay, so there is a circle. So you have one here. So now, like say you already have another one, you just go right into here and then you button it up, and there it is. So there is the garland. You have two pieces. You can make it as long as you want, but today I'm just giving you an idea on how to make these. So you have the option to do it with a button, or the other option would be to sew it together. And you will be sewing it with this yarn needle. And so basically it's really easy. So anybody can do it. It's fun because you guys can use different colors. If you want to use the same colors, so you want to use Christmas colors, you can do that as well. So it's all up to you. Okay, here is the garland. Isn't this so beautiful? You have gold, you have red, you have yellow, white, green, gold, yellow, white, red, and green. So with this garland, like I said before, you can put it on your Christmas tree. You can hang it on your fireplace. Make it hang there from the fireplace. That will look so beautiful for Christmas. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. It was a pleasure to see you guys today. And if you are into crocheting, arts and crafts, and cooking, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.